23-year-old Dalton Stewart chose not to speak when he was handed a $25,000 fine in court in Barrington. An agreed statement of facts detailed how he was drinking with friends in May 2023 when he lit a tire on fire on private land, admitting to being quite intoxicated when he attempted to stomp it out before they left. He earlier pleaded guilty to a charge under the Forests Act. The Crown says that was ultimately the fire that started the Barrington wildfire that burned more than 23,000 hectares, destroyed about 60 structures, and led to thousands being forced from their homes. The senior attorney said it cost about $8 million to extinguish, and while he acknowledged no sentence could undo those consequences, the fine and an order to complete fire-smart training focuses on accountability.
The maximum allowable penalty at the time was $50,000. That's the highest available fine. The $25,000 is a significant fine. It's a meaningfully deterrent fine for Mr. Stewart, and I think it's a significant amount for any Nova Scotian. Certainly, the devastation caused by the Barrington Lake wildfire is something that can't be undone.
The judge said it was unthinkable anyone would start a fire in the woods during such dry conditions, never mind what he described as a drunken tire fire. He referred to the impact by still seeing the charred forest on his drive to court. Several people who lost homes submitted victim impact statements, and Melissa Nickerson read out hers in court, crying as she tried to get through it, explaining her family suffered financial losses and with PTSD. The wardens of Shelburne and Barrington issued a statement saying they continue to focus on recovery, healing, and building resilience.
But I have to go back to the people that lost their homes and were totally devastated by this. There was panic, there was fear.
Stewart's lawyer says the fire he started was part of the wildfire, but notes there may have been other fires that amalgamated.
He accepts responsibility for what he did, as well he should. It should be noted, and I don't want to say too much on his behalf, but he wasn't clearly out there reckless to say, let's throw something in the woods and hope a fire starts. They were out there having some beers, him and a group of other people, took steps to put the fire out, didn't take appropriate steps.
Defense lawyer Philip Starr told court his client works in a fish plant with a minimal income and will need 18 months to 2 years to pay the fine. The two other charges he was facing have been withdrawn or dismissed. Gareth Hampshire, CBC News, Barrington.